Hello friends, welcome to my channel again, and today I will discuss about a worm named tropical leatherlip slug. This is a tropical leatherlip slug and it is oftenly mistaken as a leech, but it's not a leech. Look, it has two antennae on his head, and the word slug is also often used as a part of common name of any gastropod mollusk that has no shell or a very reduced cell or only small internal cell like that, but its name is tropical leatherlip slug. And the tropical leatherlip slug has a scientific name as Leviculus alti, and it is a species of tropical land slug, a terrestrial permanent gastropod mollusk, and it is round, dark colored with no shell. It is 7 or 8 centimeter long and its skin is slightly tuberculated. The slug is a unique and very narrow footed juvenile specimen, and the tentacles are small, 2 or 3 millimeter long, and they are only rarely extended beyond the edge of the mantle. Look, it is moving from one leaf to another leaf, and the slug is an intermediate host for a worm that is rat lungworm, and its scientific name is Angiostrongylus cantinensis. And the slug is eaten by the frog Rana tigrina, and this species is probably indigenous to Africa, Western Africa and Eastern Africa, but it also found in Asia, USA, and islands of Indian Oceans, Australia, Taiwan. This species lives in dry areas, mostly at lower altitudes, and the slug eats in the wild is not known, but the captivity this slug will eat the dandelion leaves, tomatoes, cucumber, apples, spinach, carrot, and when other items are not available, it will eat dill. In captivity, it will not eat grapes. The slug hatches from eggs, and the species have several adaptations for living in dry conditions. A rounded shape. A rounded shape with as small as possible surface area and a narrow foot to reduce evaporation. Juvenile specimens search for food nearly always at night and stay buried in the soil during the day. Larger specimens are active during the daytime, and this slug can grow up from 0.5 centimeter to approximately 4 centimeter in length in 7 months. Look, its tentacles are being hidden, and it's like leather, and it almost looks like a leech. How it will manage to stand on the ground again. See how beautiful. This nature has so many variations. We should learn from nature. We should give time. We should give a little time to this nature to observe the elements of this nature. You must feel great